is the brutal psychological truth behind why you work so hard but still remain broke. Most people mistake being busy with being productive. They spend 12 hours a day chasing every minor task, destroying their energy for zero growth. But elite minds operate on a different law called the 80-20 rule. It proves that 80% of your desired results come from just 20% of your specific actions. This means that most of what you do every day is completely useless noise. To unlock true leverage, you must ruthlessly audit your life. Identify the top 20% of your habits, your clients, or your skills that actually move the needle and cut out the remaining 80% of distractions without mercy. You don't need more time. You just need to stop bleeding your focus on the things that don't matter. Because realizing where to put your energy